ACY Securities is pleased to announce Clifford Bennett as our new Chief Economist. With 35 years of economics and trading experience, from naval officer to senior economist in investment banking, advising the world's largest corporations, political leaders, and billionaire investors. Clifford brings a lot of knowledge to focus for his clients in every geopolitical and financial market moment. Clifford has addressed the international prestigious APEC Summit on reserve currency issues and the Caixin Summit in Beijing on future Chinese trade patterns. Clifford started the very first technical analysis service at Macquarie Bank in the 1980s, developed currency overlay management techniques, and has advised the world's biggest corporations and banks. Author of Warrior Trading, published by John Wiley & Sons in New York, Bloomberg New York labeled him the world's most accurate currency forecaster.
Hello viewer, this is Ines from ACY Securities Global Desk in Sydney. So today we have with us the one and only Clifford Bennett. Hi Clifford, welcome to ACY. It's a great pleasure to have you here.
Hello Ines, great, thank you. It's fabulous to be here.
I've heard that you're the one that introduced the technical analysis in Macquarie Bank back in the 80s. How did that look?
Yeah, it's funny you bring that up. That was pretty exciting times actually. I was just out of university and looking to make a name for myself at this exciting new investment bank, Macquarie Bank, and I'd read a few books and I decided to start the technical analysis outlook and service there. That was in the currency division of the global treasury markets there at Macquarie Bank, and of course they've since gone on to do things a lot more comprehensively than we did then, but that was exciting. And out of that I was invited to be one of the 5 founding members of the Australian Technical Analysis Association, but I didn't take that offer up because I think the power today is really in individual thinkers, traders, investors. They have the advantage, and I think it's important for people to avoid groupthink situations and everyone to really think for themselves outside of the box. That's the advantage over hedge funds and major institutions.
Did that help you to forecast the Australian dollar?
It's one thing to have an economic fundamental view. It's another thing to trade markets. I always say there are 2 distinct art forms, having a view and trading. You need to keep those 2 art forms identified and a little bit separate, right? So technical analysis, unlike economics, if you just take a position based on economics, you never really know where you're wrong, where's your stop loss. Technical analysis gives you a roadmap to the overall climate of things, and it really helps you determine entry, exit points, those sorts of things, but also it's fantastic for targeting. That's why I targeted the Australian dollar to go above parity when I did. And it gives you all sorts of awesome power in terms of, because markets always go further than anyone expects, and technical analysis gives you a handle on that, so you're not so surprised in real time.
So as ACY Chief Economist and leader of our team of market analysts, what do you think can you bring to our client?
The world's a very complex place, so all you can ever do is think through everything as thoroughly as you can from every direction and angle as you can, and I think it's very important to remain objective. So I think we often fall prey of trying to win an argument, so we get a view and then we try to prove that view. And I hope to bring to the team that ability to stand back, look at things objectively with a full spectrum of consideration without eliminating any possibilities, and then gradually go working through sentiment, the economic fundamentals, the charts, the price action, gradually move in and focus on what we believe really could happen and where we think the dominant risk is for markets. Because often people are talking about where they think a market will go, but I think it's very important to highlight to clients what market could be at risk and to really watch for that, yes.
Thank you, Clifford, for your time and welcome to ACY Securities.
Very exciting to be here. I'm really happy. It's a great team and the energy of the individuals and the team as a whole is mightily impressive. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to my time here, and life is about community and making a contribution, and I think ACY is a leader of that. So really looking forward to this.